Good morning students, I am Aditya Raj. Now I am going to teach in class 7th. Date is 8/5/2020 and today's our topic is fraction. First of all, we have to discuss what is fraction. Fraction are number. It is form of P by Q. It's called fraction. But you know one thing. In the case of fractions, some things criteria means some things is happen. Then we can say that given number is fraction. What is the first condition? Means where condition is P and Q are natural number. P and Q are natural number. So now I am giving some example. Clear? I am writing some examples like first example is 3 by 5, 4 by 6, 3, minus 9 by 2. Clear? Okay. And 0 by 4. Okay. I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 examples. Just check which is the belongs to fraction, which is not belongs to fraction. Means given number, first condition, this is a form of P by Q. Second condition, P and Q are natural number. Then after fraction. Clear? So our first example is 3 by 4, second is 4 by 6, third is 3, and fourth is minus 9 by 2, and fifth is 0 by 4. Clear? So now I am just classify the property. Means given first example is 3 by 4, it is a form of P by Q. Yes. This is a form of P by Q. Yes. But this is a 3. Each 3 is P by Q form. But no. But one thing, we can write 3 by 1. No problem. Hence, it is also P by Q form. This is also P by Q form. This is also P by Q form. It means according to first property, everyone is belongs to fraction. But what is the second condition? P and Q are natural number. 3 and 4, yes, it is a natural number. Yes, it is also natural number. Yes, it is also natural number. No. Minus 9 is not natural number. 0 by 4, 0 is not natural number. So now, yes, this is a fraction. Yes, this is also fraction. Yes, both property are applied, both property are justified, then it is a fraction. But this number in the form of P by Q, but not natural number. Hence, it is not a fraction. Same condition. P by Q form, but no P and Q are natural number, hence it is not a fraction. I hope it is clear which type of numbers are fraction, which type of numbers are not fraction. So now I am going to define next definition, means next part. What is the part? Proper fraction. Proper fraction. What is proper fraction? A fraction whose numerator whose numerator is less than its denominator is called a proper fraction. I am giving some example. Three by 5, 2 by 9, 7 by 6. Means I am writing 3 example. In case of first condition, means 3 by 5, 3 is less than 5, hence it is a proper fraction. 2 by 9, it means 2 is less than 9, it is a form of proper fraction. 7 by 6, in this case 7 is not less than 6, hence it is not proper fraction. I hope it is clear what is proper fraction and what is fraction. And our second topic is improper fraction. What is improper fraction? Means a fraction whose denominator is less than numerator. It means in this case numerator is less than not, numerator is greater than. It's called a improper fraction. Clear? What is the example? Examples are 7 by 6, 9 by 2 and 8 by 15. So first condition 7 by 6 where 7 is greater than 6, it means improper, means IP fraction. 9 by 2, again 9 is greater than 2, it means IP fraction. 8 by 15 where 8 is not greater than 15 means it is not a IP fraction, it means improper fraction. Hence in the exercise, first you find what, write 5 example of fraction and 5 example of proper fraction and 5 example of improper fraction. Then after next class we have to explain new definition of the fraction related to this family. Thank you. Have a nice